We'll guide you through how to fix a laptop keyboard auto-pressing keys. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because you're trying to go and just type and use your computer and random keys keep getting pressed. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss what goes and solves the problem. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So what we need to do is we first of all just want to go and look at the keyboard. Do just make sure the keys aren't stuck down, which doing this. If they're stuck down, that's why. That may not be the problem though, and it may go and be a more software related problem. So just make sure the key is free. Now, what you want to do is you want to come to the bottom here and go and right click on the Windows Start button. And you want to go and find the option for Device Manager. You can always go and type it in the search bar at the bottom to go and find it as well. Wait for it to go and open up. Now what you need to do is come over to the left and find the option for keyboards and press the arrow to the left. And then what you want to do is find the keyboard and go and right click on it. And you can go and find the option for Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers. Press Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You can then go and select it and you want to go and press next in the bottom right and go and see if the update goes and solves it. Now it's going to go and prompt you to go and restart it. Go and press no for now. Go and see if that solves it. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is come back to the keyboard here and right click, find the option uninstall device, press uninstall. You can then go and confirm the decision. You want to go and restart your computer. Go and wait. Surely it's going to go and come back on. Now, doing this restart after uninstalling it can just go and refresh things and hopefully will go and solve the problem. By the way, after you go and uninstall it, before restarting it, you'll find the keyboard will completely stop working. But upon restarting it, it should go and be working and hopefully the auto pressing problem will go and be fixed. So now what you can do is try it and hopefully the problem is going to go and be solved.